Good morning, class. You can see I have created an animation for you people. This animation is same which is given in your book, page number 66, chapter 5, working with layers. As you can see, I have taken these different layers here. Sky, this was building, then grass and road is there, tree and car. These are different layer. You can adjust these layers up and down also. I have made this animation and I'm going to show you how it runs, and then we will be creating the same animation again. Now once you have made an animation like this, now if you want to see how it plays, go on control and test movies, and you can see the video running, the animation running, the car is going like this. So this is what we are going to create here in Flash. So I'm erasing all these things. I'm taking a new uh, file, Flash file. All those things I'm going to delete this one now, or I will be saving it later on. Now let's take the very first layer, that is drawing a building. I'm following all those steps which are there in your book, so that if you are able to take Animate CC, so you may be able to do all these things yourself also. So let's start with drawing a building. This is my one layer, this is the first layer, and this is building layer. So double click on this to rename the building. You can rename this. When you double click on that, it automatically, and you have to just type building. I have renamed my layer building, and then you just go on view grid show, view tab, grid, and grid may show grid. This is a grid, and with the help of this grid you can draw your building. I have used this square, a rectangle and oval, but you can also use this pencil tool here. Pencil tool may be used for drawing a building. Now I'm taking this, or line tool. It is better to take pencil tool, no? Pencil tool ले लेते हैं. So you can see this is there. Then I'm drawing a building. So you can see how my building is. It is not exactly the same, but it is a building, short of building. Now I'm going to make windows. थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा हो रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. This is how you will be creating. I'm creating this window. You can see now my building is ready. थोड़ी कांपती हुई बनी है, लेकिन ठीक है. Now I'm going to fill color inside that. I'm using red color, and then fill bucket, and I'm going to take red. Again red color, red. It's not taking here. Red color is taken by me now, and I'm taking windows. These windows yellow. Oh, कहीं से color leak हो रहा है. कहाँ से हो रहा है? This also became red. Okay. I'm going to check from where this color is leaking. Now you can see this building is ready. Now I'm going to take insert another layer. Just click here, and you can see layer 2 is there. Layer 1 was just renaming. This was building. And layer 2, which I'm going to make, is sky. Just double click and type. And when we talk about layer 2, तो इसके लिए sky बनाने के लिए just take a rectangle from here, rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle, or what you can do is you can also take color. So first I'm taking a rectangle here, and now you can see you can also change the stroke color and fill color. So for filling the color, I'm going to window. You can choose from here, window, and then color. And you know, this is your color. Solid में आपको लेना है linear, and this is the color yellow and bluish. You can change this yellow to any other color. Just double click on that, and you can take a yellow, light blue color from here, and here on the other side you can take a white color. So this is the gradient, the linear one, and then go on fill color, and you can see the effect. You can do like this also if you want. जिस भी side आपको dark या light चाहिए आप वैसे ले सकते हो. Okay, I'm taking it this way, and if moreover if I want to have this type of effect you can have. Okay, I may take two colors also, like if I want to have orange type of color, so I may take that also, but blue पूरा पूरा चले गया तो blue ले सकते हैं. On one side I oh god, oh god, oh god, ultimately this is my gradient blue color I have selected. Now adding grass and road, again you have to take a new layer. Till now we have two layers, building and a sky, and I'm taking one more layer. Click on this, and one more layer is added. Rename this layer by double clicking on this, and write down grass and road. Grass and road, and this is our third layer. And for this, for making a grass and road, you can use rectangle boxes. I'm going to take a green color for grass, and then I'm selecting this rectangle to select the grass here. I'm taking a grass over here, and then I'm going to take another black color, grayish color, and rectangle tool for making my road. This is my road here. So this is all about grass and road. Now what you have to do is move this layer just below the building layer. बिल्डिंग लेयर जो भी है उसके जस्ट नीचे आपको इसको ड्रैग करके ले जाना है. You can see this building is here. My building, where is my building gone? Okay, sky सबसे नीचे होगा. Then you can see building, and building के नीचे यहाँ पे grass, लेकिन ये तो grass के ऊपर आ जा रही है, तो I'm taking this, and थोड़ा सा इसको हम लोग बड़ा कर दें तो it will be easy for us to visualize. Okay. Okay, ये दो थोड़ा सा बिल्डिंग मेरी डूब गई है, ग्रास ज़्यादा पोर्शन हो गया है, तो आई मे चेंज दैट ऑल्सो. आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज माई ग्रास को मैं डिलीट करके आई एम मेकिंग इट अगेन. येस, नाउ यू कैन सी इट इज़ ओके. दिस इज़ स्काई, सबसे पे नीचे स्काई है, फिर बिल्डिंग है, फिर ग्रास एंड रोड है. Now we have to create tree, drawing trees. Now I already have told you how to draw a tree. I have sent you a video also. So let's make a tree here. Take a pencil tool. Okay, for that we have to take a new layer first, and this layer is known as tree layer. And now on this tree layer I'm going to draw a tree here. आप एक पेड़ बना सकते हो. You can tree trunk of the tree and you can just draw a tree like this. I already have shown you how you can draw a tree and the upper part of the tree like this. आप उसको बना सकते हो. And now you can color this with a green color. First I'm going to take a brown color for trunk and a green color. Now I'm going to take a green color here. Green color आप ले सकते हैं to fill it here. Now select it and place this on this trunk. ठीक है, ये आपका ट्री बन गया. ये आप अपने आप इसको एडजस्ट कर सकते हो नीचे ऊपर. और you can take your this trunk on this if you want to show your trunk on the tree. So it is other way round, whatever style you want to have. ये आप ऐसे रख सकते हो या वैसे भी रख सकते हो, जैसे भी. Now this is a tree. Now you have to group them together so that whole tree is selected and you can make it a symbol. तो इसको हम लोग शिफ्ट की प्रेस करके ये वाला पोर्शन भी सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं. नाउ दिस इज होल वन. Now use Control plus G for grouping the tree. Now you can see the whole tree is under one. And now you just make it, convert it to symbol. Right click and convert it to symbol now. And you can name that symbol tree graphic and click on OK. Now you can copy this also. Copy करिए इसको और इसको paste कर दीजिए, paste कर दीजिए. And you can paste it on this side also. This side your tree is here. Now this was all about tree layer. Now come to drawing a car. Now you have to draw a car. In the same way you may also draw a car. Now I am going to take another layer. This is fifth layer and this is a car. CAR. I already have made cars so many times. If you want to see them, you can see here in library. Okay, tree is there and one item in library. Okay, only one item is there in my library right now. So I am going to make a car here with the help of this pencil tool. I'm not using square or any other tools. तो कार बनाने के लिए मैंने start किया, ऐसे एक कार बनाया. You all are very creative. You can create your own car. आप अपनी कार जो भी आप चाहते हो वो आप उस टाइप की कार बना सकते हो. And for its tires I'm going to take a circle over here. आप इस सर्किल ले सकते हैं, है ना. कलर तो सर्किल का चेंज, जब भी कुछ गलती हुआ Control Z कर दो. And I'm going to take, okay, तो this सही लग रहा है, ठीक है ना. Now I'm going to make this car red color. I'm filling red color on my car. ये मैं कार पे रेड कर दिया. टायर्स को ब्लैक कर देते हैं. तो आई एम टेकिंग अ ब्लैक कलर फ्रॉम हियर टू फिल माय टायर्स. अरे मैंने विंडो नहीं बनाई, छोटी सी विंडो बना लेते हैं. तो आई एम फॉर दैट विंडो आई मे टेक येलो कलर, है ना. कार के अंदर लाइट जल रही है, कैसा है. वाह, क्या बढ़िया कार दिख रही है. Let's make this. This is my car. Now you have to convert this. You have to take all these, select all these things. Again you go on selection tool and select on this, double click. You can see a blue line and all these, but the tires are not selected. तो shift की को आप press करिए, tires के ऊपर double click करिए. Now your whole car is selected. Group your car. उसके लिए Control Z दबाइए, Control G. And now convert this to symbol. Convert to symbol. Now this is converted to symbol. You may write here car and okay. This is now a symbol. This car is now a symbol. Now you can, for moving your car, First of all, what you have to do is you have to extend sky, grass, road, building, everything. So right now I'm going to extend this building up to 60. तो 60 पे आके आप insert frame करिए. Then you have to extend your building also. तो building पे आके आप ये करिए. ग्रास एंड रोड पे आप आके क्लिक करिए, राइट क्लिक करिए एंड उसको करिए. फिर इस पे आके इंसर्ट फ्रेम करिए, फिर इस पे भी आके आप इंसर्ट फ्रेम करिए. सो यू कैन सी ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर नाउ click and inserted up to frame number 60. Now choose the selection tool and click and drag the car to the right of the stage. This car is already there on the right side of the stage. Now what you have to do is right click on frame 1. ये जो कार का फ्रेम 1 है इस पे आपको राइट क्लिक करना है एंड गो ऑन क्रिएट मोशन ट्विन. क्लिक ऑन दिस एंड drag this to 60. ये जो प्ले हेड है रेड कलर का उसको 60 पे लाके आपने रखना है. Now move the car left side of the stage. Now this is your car. You can move this car to the left side of the stage. So उसको press करो और move करो. Now if you want to see how your things are, now you go on control and go on test movies. You can see your car moving the same way I have shown you. The same thing is done. This is how you can make our animation in Flash. This is all for today. Try and have a nice day.